What's good, fam? In the last video, we drew a cylinder going above and below the horizon. This time we'll draw a short cylinder staying underneath the horizon. If you're starting from scratch, draw a circle inside of a square in perspective so we can build off it. Draw vertical lines parallel to the center line from your square. Mark an inch down from your square to extend from your vanishing points. Extend lines from the vanishing point to your new points of intersection. You now have two panels sitting on top of each other. Find the center of the new panel using the cross section. Extend lines from the vanishing point through the center of the panel. Mark new points of intersection. Extend lines downward from the edge of your top ellipse. Connect the bottom curve of the ellipse. Clean up and get rid of extra lines. We still need to draw the back of the lower ellipse, so I marked the center and intersection points instead of redrawing the vanishing line. Connect the points to complete the lower ellipse. Erase any extra lines. Re-outline the ellipse. Draw parallel vertical lines inside the rings all the way around. Draw equally spaced curves to help shape the cylinder. I cut the cylinder in half and cut that in half again on both sides. This is what it would look like shaded in. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.